Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, my injury guy, shooting another video for you. And for whatever reason, I've been getting a lot of calls about disc injuries. So herniated disc, neck injury, back injury, herniated disc in the back. And everyone who has called, just like a lot of injury people do, they've asked me, what is my herniated disc injury worth, right? So the first thing you need to know, and this is a little technical. You can watch some of my other videos to know that the more the medical bills, the more time off work, the more serious negative outcome you have medically, the more money the case is worth. But I want to dig a little bit deeper in a disc herniation case, okay? So that's what this video is about. So there is a lot of variation in what doctors call a herniated disc, right? So I've read MRIs and been involved in cases where people have a herniated disc, and the doctor who reads the MRI or reads the CT scan or whatever says it's just a bulging disc. Others call it a herniation. Now, I've taken, over 100 doctor's steps. I don't even know how many at this point in my career. And different doctors really talk about it in a different way. So some doctors have explained it to me that it's the size of the bulge that causes it to be a herniation. Others say that it's only a herniation when this gel-like substance called the nucleus pulposa, I think it's called, is actually leaking out of the disc. And then they call that a herniated disc and not a bulge, right? And then there are other doctors who seemingly call a bulge a herniation or a herniation a bulge, depending on whether they're working for the injured person or they're working for the defense, the insurance company. The insurance company guys never met a herniation that they didn't want to call a bulge. They never want to admit a herniation is a herniation. So that's the first thing for you to kind of consider, right? The first thing you have to consider is whether you really have a herniation or whether it's a bulge and they're just calling it a herniation, or vice versa. Do you just have what they call a bulge, but it's actually a herniation, okay? The second thing you need to know about disc herniations are, what is the story with nerve symptoms, right? So many times, if somebody has a herniated disc in their neck and it's bad enough, it impinges the thecal sac. I'm talking too technical. It's impinging on this little sac that holds the nerves, right? So if you press on the sac, it can irritate the nerves. So are you having, in the case of a neck herniated disc, are you having strange sensation or pain, shooting pain down the arm? Or in the case of a herniated disc in your lower back, are you having shooting pain or strange sensations somewhere down the leg? That is indication of a herniated disc with impingement. And a herniated disc with impingement sometimes goes away by itself. Sometimes the symptoms go away, but the herniation never does. And that's going to be the smallest type of herniated disc case. Some herniated discs with impingement go away with injections. It quiets the nerves down, it gives your body a chance to heal, and then you can return to normal. And some require ever escalating levels of surgery if the pain doesn't go away, right? That's why injections to your neck or back can be diagnostic to a certain degree. In other words, they're there to help you, but they also tell the doctors, there's a principle in medicine that you start with the most conservative care first, right? So they'll give you therapy, they'll examine you in the office, they'll come up with a working diagnosis to get an idea what's going on. Then, if the therapy's not improving, they'll send you for an MRI, and then from there you will move to you'll move to injections or surgery. So that's sort of the hierarchy. And the main thing for you to know about a herniated disc and how it affects your case is, it's just like every other case. How serious on that progression that I just explained is your injury, and what are your permanent symptoms, right? Are you one of the lucky ones where you're feeling better now? Well, it's still a substantial case because it's a herniation of a disc that you presumably didn't have before. And then if you need surgery, listen, neck or back surgery, very, very serious business. So I'm going to wrap the video up. We're getting a really terrible glare through my window. I hope that information helps you. If I can be of assistance, give me a call at any time, 312-500-4500. You can call that number anytime, night or day. And stay tuned till the end. I've got a bunch of free, really great resources for you. So thanks for watching, and watch till the end of the video. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer, or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire, so I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.
312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give them a try. Call my injury guy.
Call my injury guy.
312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give them a try.